Hi, I'm Aileen Alonso, 48 years old. I'm in the Philippines, presently residing at number 58 Binangonan Street, Barangay 30, Maypaho, Caloocan City. I'm married. I have 4 children. My first son is 23 years old. My second son is 22 years old. My third son is 16 years old. And my youngest son is uh, 12 years old. My height is uh, 5 feet in inches tall. My weight is my weight is 50 kilos. I'm started working as a caregiver since 2011. I have handling elderly patient like ambulatory, bedridden, hip replacement, colostomy bag, and then now uh, now I'm handling an elderly care with case of cancer, autoimmune, and then uh 2022 April up to 2024 April, I'm going to Qatar. I'm handling a one family with one baby, husband and wives and their mother. I'm taking care of the mother. They have one kadama and for the baby and me. I'm helping with the kadama with the uh I'm helping with the kadama with handling the baby. And then I'm handling the mother, 65 years old, bedridden. I go to the market, clean his room, bathroom, doing some old course like sometimes I'm cleaning the car and then I'm not totally drive, but when I'm come back in, I'm learning to drive a car. I have a driver's license also. And then after that I'm staying here in the Philippines. But before that, in 2013 up to 2020, I'm taking care the big house of my auntie in Santa Rosa, Laguna, doing clean his house. Uh, and then when she like to vacation here in the Philippines, I'm helping her do some old course. But when she need to come back in Hawaii, I stay in their house to pay her bills, utilities, go some market, cleaning the house. After that, and then I decided to go in Qatar. After this, now I'm handling a patient, cancer patient until now. It's the way that I need to go in Hong Kong because some of my friends they told me that Hong Kong is a beautiful place and I need to help my father also because right now she has six. I need uh, to provide her foods and medicine. And I have a son also going to school. And then that's what if you hire me, you can trust me and I'm very hardworking person. You will not regret to accept or hire me. Thank you very much. Thank you. And I love pets also because I have cats and dogs. Thank you.